I've just had a shower. I'm mid getting dressed. Today we said we were going to have a lazy day, didn't we?
It is a bit of a lazy day and probably well timed because it's absolutely belting it down outside. But we're going to York tomorrow. It's our last day here in the area, so we're going to catch up on our laundry. If
you could see the state on this van, I gotta show them. Just look at that. Genuine now, right? I will be cleaning this all up. There's our smashing bag of laundry, so that'll get done now this morning.
Yeah, today's all about get the laundry done, get the van sorted. She's got to sort her mullet out. That's a good mullet, love. You look ready for Halloween already.
It's not bad. Yeah, I'll give it a dry now. It'll be fine. All will be restored.
Hair straighteners, they're magical. Yeah, and we want to try and get around. We'll
show you.
It's a nice, to be fair. So we've been here, what day is it today? Wednesday, and we've been here since Saturday? Yeah, Saturday.
Longest place we've ever stayed, actually.
Yeah, we don't tend to stay in one place this long. But to be fair, as far as the site goes, it's very, very clean, very peaceful and nice and quiet. It's a fair size. Yeah, we'll show you around a little bit later. They say we're not going anywhere today, so...
Chore day.
Chore day.
Oh well, better get to it then, haven't we? You're sat doing the videos.
I'm editing what would have been last night's video for you guys.
So I'll be out tomorrow.
This one comes out tomorrow. The one I'm editing now comes out...
Tonight?
Tonight, yeah.
Gets confusing. We've only been putting one out, maybe once or twice a week.
Once or twice a week, but as said at the start of this, we will try and do one every day or every other day, and we're doing quite well actually. We haven't missed a day yet, so we've been lucky to get one out a day.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna let her crack on, and I've got to crack on. So you guys better go crack on. Ta-da.
Ta-da.
Here's the park. It's not a bad park. And then they've got something a little bit for the younger ones as well. So there's two parks here. You've got the tour inside, which is this section, and then I think just over past those trees there you got all the static caravans. And to be fair, most of the pitches are service pitches. They've all got waste, they've all got water, electric. So it does look like there's quite a few seasonal caravans here. I think that's the Wi-Fi mast, because we are picking up, we're not using it, but we can see there's Wi-Fi here. See, they've all got the water supply and dedicated drainage. And it's very well kept, I must say. I do like, it's all hard standing. Park itself is very well kept, and the staff that we've dealt with have actually been really helpful and nice. One of the wardens, he came and dropped us off a gas bottle and even put it in our locker for us. Yeah, you can see some of these definitely seasonal. Yeah, it's very pretty, very quiet site, so if you want the peace and quiet, you can stay on site, and if you want that party atmosphere, you can go down into Blackpool. We've got a few spots here for motorhomes, and there's us. Not a bad spot for us. We are right next to you got the bins and the Elson point just here. You got the motorhome water and waste just here, and then up there is the toilet block, and I gotta say, it's actually one of the nicest, as far as toilet blocks go, it's one of the nicest toilet blocks we've been into on site. Give you a quick look at it. They got a dedicated dog shower area down by there. Come and be here. Now, I can't talk too much in there because I know they're playing music, so there's underfloor heating in there, showers, toilets, sinks. Let's go have a look. Yeah, like I said, there's underfloor heating. And they play music for you to have a listen to as well while you're in there. A defibrillator. And then here's the map. So one thing we were hoping was here is a laundrette. Because we're away for 9 days, we've brought more clothes than usual, but not enough to last 9 days, so I'm hoping there is a cheeky laundrette here somewhere, and there it is. I'm going to go in. Ah, there you are. So you've got 2 washers, and then 2 big dryers here. Please do not open the water until it's finished. So they're tokens, so I'm assuming we get them from... Yeah, we must get those up from the reception. And the same for the dryers. Good. That's handy. Do it before we head up to York. We'll do a nice big wash. And say there's the reception just by there and the barrier front. So yeah, that is Pipers Height Caravan Park. Just a quick little tour around here. So nice and peaceful. If you want a peaceful weekend, it is, to be fair, very quiet. Just lovely. But you have got Blackpool then about 3 miles down the road, so you can go down and enjoy that as well.
I need one.
So what do you need on a chilled out day, more than anything in the whole world? A roast dinner.
Stop, you're not playing then.
So I'm attempting
Roll.
to cook a roast for the first time in the van. So I've got my onions ready,
No.
some carrots and some spuds on the go.
Onions are easy.
I'm not sure how well it's going to turn out though, to be fair,
5.
because I'm not the best cook in the world.
1, 2, 3,
So I'm just going to nip up the local shop.
Here,
It's a shop on site. And so I can get some peas and maybe even stretch some parsnips. I have cheated though, I'm not going to lie. The chicken I've got is already cooked because I figured it would take about 3 hours in this tiny little oven. And then here's their reception and sales office. And they've done it all Halloween-y as well, which is really nice. So I'm just going to pop in and get some peas. There's no peas. There's no wine. And there's no parsnips. The lady there in the shop just said they're closing the site on the 14th of November, so obviously everything that's in the shop now is basically just going to be sold off, and that's it until they reopen in the next season. There's still loads of stuff in there, just not what I want. So the man that's going to have to get off pitch, I think, and get to Tesco's.
Did they have your wine, love?
They didn't have anything.
There was beer up there.
Hey, guys.
No, they got no peas, no wine, no parsnips, nothing. Apparently the site's shut in on the 14th of November for their, obviously their shutdown bit.
Yeah.
So now I'm thinking we're going to have to go off pitch and go get some.
I'm not going away.
Well, it's £10 for a bottle of Prosecco up there.
Bottle of Prosecco it is.
250.
I had to go back up, didn't I?
You have to pay 500.
Not really keen on Prosecco, but it does look like a nice one. So.
So 500.
So just heading round to the laundry. We've put on a massive load this morning, and we've washed it and dried it. So you get your tokens from reception, and then you can do your washing. Stu's been in here this morning doing it, to be fair to him.
It's over there.
So this is laundry. Oh yeah, that's the tokens there. So just pop them in for your wash. And the man bet's already been at it, bless him.
And it's all actually dry for a change. One
Hey.
token, £7 for the two. So you get 2 tokens, one to go in the washer, one to go in the dryer. £7, job done. But the nice surprise is that it's come out the dryer dry.
And it's a nice change. Usually we dry it, don't we? And then we have to try and chuck it on some sort of makeshift line.
Yeah, but no, they're actually dry, to be fair. Can't argue with that.
You're going to want a hand folding it now, aren't you?
Yeah, come on, Dave, but you here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't forget the soap.
Ta-da!
I'm tamping. I've been stuck in a stupid van all day.
And it hasn't let off all day either, is it? It has rained the entire day.
But we've done everything that we said we were going to do.
Yes. Laundry,
Done.
check. Roast dinner,
Oh yeah, I did a roast dinner, sort of.
Done.
Half of one.
clean of the van.
Hang on, before you move on. What was it you said about the roasties? Can we just share with everyone?
Oh, to be fair, I will share it because they were the nicest roast potatoes I've ever had. They were parboiled and cooked on a gas oven, and
Mixed
I
with
don't know
onions.
I don't know what it was, but it was absolutely lovely. So well done, babe.
Thanks. I'll take that one.
Cleaning the van, check.
Yeah.
Lazy
My fingers are hurting from walking
butts,
now.
check. What else? Showers, check. Prepared to go to York tomorrow? Check.
Yeah. Enough's enough now, innit?
Yeah.
We're ready now for York.
Yeah.
I think the kids are as well. The weather's been pants.
It hasn't up because it has literally rained all day, and last night it was so windy I thought it was going to rip the skylight off.
Yeah, we were awake most of the night,
Yeah,
weren't
it
we?
woke me up a couple of times, and this, the last time I woke up I was up for about an hour. Took me ages to go back to sleep because it was just so noisy. And there's still people with awnings up on this site, and I was surprised not to see any of them down, but they do all look like air awnings, so maybe they've learned from past experiences as we have. Anyway, that was our cheeky little vlog for today. Sorry it wasn't much to it. Say tomorrow we're going to York. Anyways, we're off. Until next time.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Like. Drop us a comment. Or 2, or 3. We don't mind. We'll answer them all, won't we?
We will, but I'll see you in a bit.
Try, guys.